It was a beautiful sunny morning in Zakynthos. We were sitting in the garden, listening to the olive trees rustle, having a coffee and planning how we were going to accessorise the newly decorated veranda. Suddenly, the sound of water gushing from a pipe shattered the peace, and we knew there and then that the day had other plans for us. Have a look. So water is not meant to be coming out of there. Got a nice crack running all the way up here. It's rusted there now. I mean, everything looks rusted, to be honest. The state of it. Let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so look, it's completely fractured. Best case scenario is we can take this balloon thing off. This is like a pressure vessel. Take it off and replace it with a new one, but I mean the whole thing's so old. Don't know, is it really worth doing, or if we just have to replace the whole thing? Oh my god, this place is a mess. That cable there, old system this is, everything's rusted. I think we're just going to have to replace the whole thing. This is live. Wrapped in insulation tape and right next to running water. Okay, let's head to the shops, see what we can find. Okay, found a guy who's going to build me a new pump and pressure cylinder. Hopefully it's just a case of connecting it all when I get home. I hate plumbing, to be honest. My least favourite DIY job. But we'll see. Okay, so this is our brand new, all singing, all dancing, water pressure system. Trusty scooter delivery system comes in handy again. Half in the back box, half on the floor. Okay, let's get stuck into this. God knows how long this is going to take, but here we go. So he was a lovely guy in this shop. Really helpful. Lent me some tools, lent me a pipe cutter, a clamp. So this pump is a bit bigger than the old one. What we've got to do is adjust the pipes that are coming into it and going out of it so that they fit. Obviously everything's got to be completely flush, as flush as possible. So I'm just taking off the old olive, the old connections. I'm going to sand it down, make way for a nice flush fitting for the new connections. So we've cut the pipe back, sanded it down, made it nice and shiny, sprayed everything, gave everything a real good spray because it was super rusty. PTFE tape around all the connections. I'm just going to tighten it up, not too tight yet, but tight enough so it holds. So that's the exit pipe where the water leaves the pump and goes into the house. Okay, now time to connect the hose. This is the hose that leaves the water tank and goes into the new water pump. Got to replace the washer first because the existing one is completely rotten, disintegrated when I took it apart. Pick all the rubbish out, put a new one in there, wrap the whole thing in PTFE tape, make the connection. Should be fairly simple, this one. Okay, now everything's connected. I'm just going to pour water into the pump to push any air out of the system before we connect the pressure cylinder. Just got to flood the thing. Okay, this is the part where the magic happens. This is what gives us our pressure all through the house. Just going to wrap it in PTFE tape, screw it on. Should be the final piece of the puzzle. Going to open these valves up. Prepare to turn the water on the mains. Okay, the handyman in Havanas is back. Open both the water tanks. Then when I connect the water pump to power, we should, yeah, get that noise. Look at that beautiful crystal clear water pumping through. No leaks. It's powerful, right? Beautiful. Happy. Well, that was fun. Now, where were we? Villa life doesn't always go to plan, but there are enough lovely people on this island ready to help out when you need them. You never really feel alone. Thank you once again for watching another episode of our show. Likes, subscribes and comments are greatly appreciated and really help us. Hope to see you all again soon.